10 Tampa Bay Chief Meteorologist Bobby Deskins joined us now, keeping an eye on the system of the tropics tonight. Bobby, what are the odds this becomes a name storm tomorrow?
Well, the Hurricane Center right now puts it at about 70% that we do get Tropical Storm Arthur. And if it's going to happen, it's going to happen early tomorrow. Well, yeah, in 45 minutes to tomorrow afternoon. During Wednesday, I think around 5 to 6 p.m. tomorrow, it's making landfall somewhere up in here. Probably is about a 40-mile-per-hour minimal tropical storm, but you know, it's nothing to shake a stick at, right? It could be a big storm, or at least a terrible storm for some folks. It's flooding more than anything else. We're not really concerned about the wind, but you can see the track here, and by 7 p.m. tomorrow, it does already have it as a tropical storm, and it's already over land, so that would put 4 p.m., 5 p.m.-ish time frame right there. And then by tomorrow morning, when you wake up and watch, Courtney will have it in the morning, probably Tropical Depression 1 at that point. Then later in the day becoming Tropical Storm Arthur. We do have in the blue here tropical storm warnings. That means we expect winds of about 40 miles per hour, probably some gusts higher than that. That's mainly Louisiana, Galveston up to the Texas, Louisiana state line. That's tropical storm watches in the yellow there. That basically means it's possible. The blue means we're expecting it, okay? So it's generally to the east of where the center goes. You can see the track. The only chance it has to really strengthen is while it's over water, and that's this stretch right here. And then after that, it's over land, and it will weaken, but not a whole lot. And in fact, it's gonna transition as it moves to the north and east. This is tomorrow about 4:30 in the morning. Could be a depression by that time. Then by the afternoon, we are looking at basically a tropical storm. Look where all the energy, though, is. It's mainly out over the Gulf, at least initially, and then it moves into, I think, New Orleans, eastern Louisiana. They're going to see more of it than anybody else. That's Thursday morning at 8 a.m. Look at all this rain here. Now, it's going to weaken a little bit, but it's also going to be transitioning. There's a front coming in from the north. It's actually going to be transitioning to a regular type of low pressure, and I think it's actually going to get a little bit stronger. Look at Atlanta on Thursday evening. It could actually be worse there than it is in parts of Louisiana, and then you can see it cranks up through the Carolinas, and actually it's dry air here, warm and moist air here, so now it's not actually even tropical anymore, but it still looks like it could potentially strengthen, so this thing has to be watched the whole way. Again, the main issue looks to be water, flooding from rainfall, especially Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, into central and southern Georgia, and so it's something our friends and neighbors up north need to keep an eye on.